Sneha Mankani, Vogue India's beauty editor, and I'm so happy to welcome you all to the second edition of the Vogue Beauty Festival 2021. Today, I'm going to take you through my skincare and makeup routine using Forest Essentials products. It's a routine that I've recently sort of devised for myself using all the natural products from the brand, and it's super minimal. It's something that you can follow on a daily basis. According to Ayurveda, they say that the radiance of inner beauty really comes out and is reflected through inner vitality, lustrous hair and glowing skin. And I feel like this routine sort of helps you achieve that. It really brings out that healthy, lit from within glow. So, and of course, the secret to this is prepping your skin first. So, let's begin. So my skincare routine, of course, begins with gently cleansing my face. After which, I start by applying the Rasa activating serum. I take a few drops of it onto my fingertips. Maybe 3 drops should be enough. And then I gently dab it all over my face. It's super lightweight and gives that instant hydration to your skin. I also like, after dabbing, I also like to sort of just press it into my skin. And that's it. It just disappears. The skin just soaks it up. The next step after this is the Tejal balancing water, which is like this really rich, velvety textured toner, you could call it. And I think it's a very essential step in your prep and priming routine. So I just gently smooth it all over my face and my neck. People often tend to forget their neck while prepping their skin, so don't ignore it. Next, I use the Advanced Sanjeevani Beauty Elixir, which is like a primer for my skin. So I use a really thin layer of it, and I apply it all over my face. This step helps give you that long-lasting, hydrated makeup look. And that's it. And then I move on to my last step in my skincare routine, which is my eye cream. This is the intensive eye cream with anise, and it really helps sort of hide all that late night Netflix binge, and also diminishes puffiness, reduces dark circles, and helps make your eyes look brighter. So I just very gently dab it all around my eyes. I think one of the steps in skincare that people most often forget and ignore is prepping their lips. It is so important to keep them deeply hydrated and nourished at all times. The skin on our lips is the thinnest and most delicate, and hence it's most often prone to showing the first signs of aging. I follow a 2-step lip care routine that first involves a little DIY lip scrub mask, where I use a little bit of sugar, squeeze in some lime juice, and then I simply massage my lips with it. Next, I use this Shea butter and pomegranate lip cream that deeply replenishes the moisture in my lips. It glides on super easily, and I also love that fresh, delicate, subtle fragrance of pomegranate juice in this. Finally, I'm done with my prep. My skin and lips feel super nourished and nurtured, and I'm ready to start my makeup routine using Forest Essentials natural makeup products. You know, when they launched this makeup collection and I started using it, it helped define that notion, your skin but better. I start my routine with the Serum Rasa Silk Skin Tint in Gulaab Punk. So I just take a bit of it onto my hand. It's super lightweight, helps reduce pigmentation. It's almost like a finishing cream, so not at all like a conventional foundation. I just dot it all around my face and in places that need a bit of coverage. Sometimes I'll use a brush or a sponge, but I feel like the warmth of my fingertips really helps sort of blend this out perfectly. So I'm going to use my fingertips today and sort of start blending in an outward direction and make sure it's all seamlessly blended into my skin. Because I prepped my skin thoroughly before this, I created a very smooth base for my foundation. After I'm done with the skin tint, which by the way feels like nothing on your skin, I move on to adding a bit of color to my cheeks, and I'm using the Noor Nikhaar cheek tint in Gulabi. So I just squeeze out a little bit. It's got this nice lightweight moussey texture. Very, very easy to blend out and gives you that lovely sun-kissed flush of color to your cheeks. Just be sure to really sort of blend it out. Moving on to the eyes, I actually absolutely love this Gulaab Khas Kajal in Earth Brown. It really enhances the natural shape and color of my eyes and relieves eye strain. How great is that? So I just sort of start by lining my eyes from the center of my lids, my upper lids, and then I extend it outwards because I always like to wing it out a little. Such a lovely shade for Indian skin tones. The best part about this kajal is that you can use it as a liner. You can even sort of smudge it out a little to create that smoky effect. So I'm going to do a bit of both. I'm going to line up first, wing it out just a little, and also apply it a little bit in my under eye line. Next, I'm going to use the Nayantara Lash and Brow Serum, which I'm not going to lie is my favorite product from the Forest Essentials collection because it naturally strengthens and fortifies my lashes and my brows. And I don't have to use mascara, it still gives me that beautiful lift to my lashes. As you can tell the difference, I hope you can. And after I'm done with one eye, I use the same brush and just sort of brush out my brows with the filler. Finally, I finish with applying the Madhu Rasa Tinted Lip Serum onto my lips. I'm using the shade Gulaab Jal, which gives this lovely rosy tint to my skin, to my lips, and it bursts with flavor and freshness and leaves my lips feeling super hydrated and gives it that perfect little color and sheen. And it glides on like a dream. And that's it, my Ayurvedic skincare and makeup routine with Forest Essentials. It's my go-to routine to get that natural lit from within glow using products that really feel good on your skin. I hope you try it too. Thank you.